Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can embed code onto your website on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, I already have this Calendly calendar embedded into my site, but I'm going to go ahead and show that example again. And I'm going to go first delete this, and then I'm going to show you how you can embed it. Now, once you're in your editor, let me just delete this really quickly. This is what my editor looks like without that segment embedded. And to embed code, what you're going to want to do, go ahead and click on Add Block, click Embed, drag that over here. You can also go ahead and add a code block as well. If you click on Code, as you'll see, you have a code block available over here, which you can drag wherever you want as well. And you can edit that code as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to embed this. Now, click on that and click on the pencil to get to the editor page. Then click on code snippet and embed data. And now we can add the code we're going to embed it. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and copy my embed HTML from Calendly, and I'm going to go back and paste it into the add code segment. Now, once you embed your code on Squarespace, you're going to need to preview it in safe mode. Unless you log out and view your website as a visitor, you will only be able to preview this in safe mode inside the editor. Now, once I previewed it in save mode, I'll go ahead and save, click exit, and it should show the embed on my site in a couple of seconds. There we go. And now that is pretty much it. However, if your embeds are not showing up for some reason, for example, I know Calendly has a fix for this, you can go over and go into Pages, scroll all the way down, go into Website Tools, and click on Code Injection. And once you're here, you can edit the header code as well as the footer code. And as you'll see, this is the script or the code that is needed for Calendly to function properly on Squarespace if it is not appearing. If it's appearing, you don't need to, but it helps either way. And you can also go ahead and customize your page by going to custom CSS and editing the custom CSS as well. But yeah, for now, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.